Welcome to the 10th exercise of Android Lab, which is on fragments. The level of difficulty which I have chosen is advanced. Now let's first see the demo. I have already installed the app in my phone. It is actually already running. I want to close it and restart it I want to start it from the first. I'm going to start it. Okay, select video to play here. So if I select a video, it will play here. Do you see? We can pause the video and we can resume the video. That's all, the minimum control. And if I select second video will be loaded. This is not the same video, it's another video. Now I will explain very briefly, starting from the master list fragment. So we have a fragment 1, which is actually the list view. So let me start from the activity main. Okay, did you see? This is a fragment. It's a static fragment and it's directly referring to fragment 1 class. Okay, it's directly referring to fragment 1 class, and the fragment 1's corresponding layout file is this one. It contains only one list view, and let's see what's there in fragment 1. In fragment 1 we have this. We are inflating the fragment 1 list view, and what we are doing is we are extending list fragment. And on activity created, in activity created method, I am setting up the adapter and the list view. See, set list adapter, get list view, set on item click listener, this and it implements on item click listener. So on item click let me show you what it takes 4 arguments. First one is adapter view, second one is view, third one is position, fourth one is long. Okay, then these are all the list items. See, do you see URLs? I'm not adapting this array. So how to pause this data to another fragment? This is position. It is impossible. A fragment cannot communicate with other fragment by itself. So what I did is I created an interface. And on attach, this is the place where the fragment attaches itself to the activity. So in the activity I'm checking whether the activity has, first I am creating an interface, and then I'm creating a member of it. See, I'm creating a type, the member, interface member in the class. And what I'm doing is I am typecasting the context when this fragment is attached to the context. I'm checking whether the context has implemented the interface. If it has implemented the interface, I'm doing nothing. Otherwise, I'm throwing exception. Okay. Okay. And so now that's all for this. So when I on the on item click listener, when I this is callback on when I call that interface method and pass the position, if the main activity has implemented our user defined interface on video click listener, see, it has implemented it. It will be triggered every time the menu items, the list items are clicked. So here only what I am doing is I am loading the fragment in this frame layout. In this frame layout, I'm giving it an ID and I am replacing it. I'm replacing every time. I'm creating a new YouTube player support fragment, and for this YouTube player support fragment I have added the YouTube Android player API.jar YouTube players. We have to I'm adding the YouTube player support. I'm getting the I'm creating an instance of YouTube player support fragment, and I'm replacing the container. You can see that. See, that's the whole step which is being done here. And I don't want to go deep into YouTube. Only you see when on create method is created for the very first time, the saved instance states will be null. So only for the very first time I am loading just a text view. You might have noticed that when I started my application. See, I am now going to exit this application. Again I'm starting. See, you see a text view. This will come here only at the start of the application, because see, if only saved instance state is null, I am adding this text view kind of fragment into the container for the very first time. That's how it works. I think the time is almost done. Thank you.